What is up, guys? Today we have this Dolphin E10 pool cleaner here, and this is actually a really great pool cleaner for specific pools. Now this is designed for above ground pools, yes, but you can use this in very simple in-ground pools as long as it's small and as long as the pool is actually smooth, meaning it's a really simple shape. It's square or rectangular in shape, so it's very easy to clean. But again, the E10 here is designed specifically for above ground pools, mainly because above ground pools are simple in shape and much easier to clean. So this right here is the E10 in the Explorer series, the Dolphin Explorer series. This is the base model, but it still works really well considering the fact that it's the base model. It's designed for specific pools. Remember, keep that in mind. You have other models like the E20, E30, E50 and E70, which have a number of different features as you go up. Depending on what you're looking for in a pool cleaner, you'll want to choose the specific model that you want. This E10 here will actually clean the floors of your pool really well. It won't be able to climb the walls. If you're looking for a wall climber, you'll want the E20. If you're looking for waterline cleaning, the E30, the E50, and the E70 is the way to go, as well as Wi-Fi and features like that, so keep that in mind. This E10, however, works really well in simple above ground pools. Now, let's talk about this Dolphin E10 here, what makes it so great. First, it's actually designed for pools up to 30 feet. So this means it'll work really well in small and medium-sized pools. Physically here, this only weighs in at about 13 pounds. As you can see, it's actually very lightweight. It's pretty awesome because of how lightweight it is. You don't have to worry about hurting yourself bending over, taking this in and out of the pool. Really great for people who have that physical inability to do so. Actually really great for me as well because it's just easier in general. Now, one full run cycle for the E10 lasts about 1.5 hours, which is actually pretty good. And again, this is a corded cleaner, so that means you can actually turn it on as many times as you want as long as you have it plugged in. So the cleaning cycle isn't really a big deal because you can always turn it on to clean some more, which is really awesome of this corded E10 here. Now, because this is designed for pools up to 30 feet, you actually get a 40-foot cable here, a cord here, and this is actually not tangle free, so you have to keep that in mind. It does not swivel and it has the chance to actually tangle, but 95% of the time these alone will work really well. The reason why these actually tangle are because of how you set the actual cleaner and the amount of length of hose you have in your pool. If you place this in correctly at the right spot with the appropriate amount of cord in your pool, it will not tangle, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. So physically, let's take a look at this. It does have a really sporty look to it, and it's very lightweight again. Take a look here. It's got these track-like wheels on both sides. More than enough power to basically help it grip onto the surface of the pool. Really great there. Take a look at the bottom here. You've got that big front scrubbing brush here. Really great to knock away all sorts of debris here. And over here, you've got that inlet where all that debris goes up into the actual canister here. Set this aside and you can see this is a top loading canister. I actually prefer top loading canisters. They're much easier to access. I do not like cartridge filters because those are harder to clean. The fact that this is an easy access top loading canister means that it's very easy to take in and out the debris filter here. I'll go ahead and pop this open here, and as you can see, the handle pops up and you've got this big debris basket right here. More than enough size to capture a lot of debris before you actually have to empty it out. Now, take note of this. This is actually a fine filter. As you can see, it's mesh right here. This means that it will capture about 90% of debris in your pool. It'll capture the rocks, the twigs, the leaves of different sizes, small, medium, large. It'll capture all of that and it'll work really well. But unfortunately for the E10, it does not come with an ultra fine filter. But we don't necessarily need an ultra-fine filter. It just depends on your type of pool. If you get a lot of fine debris, really small sand-like debris where you actually have to look at it up close to see it, if you get a lot of algae, that green stuff in your pool, if you get a lot of milky and cloudy water in your pool, then yes, you will need an ultra-fine filter. In this E10 out of the box, you get just a regular fine filter, which is still really great. But I wish it came with the option of an ultra-fine filter. If you want that, you'll actually have to purchase that separately, which I do recommend. Gonna go ahead and put this right back inside. Very easy to put it right back on top and snap it closed just like that. Now what's really great about this E10 here, the reason why it's actually better than other above ground pool cleaners is the fact that there's smart navigation built into this. It has intelligent mapping to basically scan your pool and figure out an efficient way to basically move about and clean your pool. A lot of above ground cleaners do not have scanning and mapping. It just goes in a preset pattern. This will actually scan and map as it goes, and if it figures out that there's some sort of obstacle in the way, it'll go the other direction, which is actually really nice. It's a nice premium feature for an above ground pool cleaner. So we talked about a lot of great features of this Dolphin E10 here, why it's so great in above ground pools. But what are some features that it lacks? First, again, it does not include an ultra fine filter in here. It does have a regular fine filter basket, which is basically all you really need 90% of the time, but it's still a really nice option to have an ultra fine filter included, which this does not have. So this is a simple use plug and play pool cleaner here. What that means is that if you're okay with just putting this cleaner on inside your pool whenever you want to use it, turning it on, letting it do its thing, clean the pool, and then taking it out, it'll work really well for you in your above ground pool. Now, if you're looking for Wi-Fi, if you want to be able to control the cleaner through an online app, get notifications like that, you won't be able to do it with this E10 here. There are different models that you want to take a look at. But with those extra features comes a higher price. So if you can live without those features, this is a really great, simple, above ground pool cleaner that you plug in whenever you want to use it. Another thing that this doesn't have is a weekly scheduled timer. A lot of cleaners, you can actually leave in the pool for a week at a time and schedule it to turn on once, twice, 3 times in a week. This does not have that option. You will need another model if you want the option of a scheduled timer. But again, you don't necessarily need it as long as you're able to put this in the pool every time you use it and take it out every time it's done. Does a really great job at just being really simple and basic for an above ground pool. So we talked about all the good features of this E10 here. We talked about what it's lacking. Now let's go ahead and test this out here, and I'll show you how well this works. All right, guys, so I've got the E10 here ready to put in my above ground pool here. Now, most people will actually take their cleaner, their E10 here, and all that cord and just toss it right at the end of the pool, right where you plug it in. That's actually not what you want to do. That's why you get tangles. In reality, what you want to do, you actually want to place the E10, the cleaner, opposite of where you plug in your cleaner, and enough cord just so that it reaches the other end. So I'll go ahead and show you. I'm going to head over here on the other side. That's where I'm actually going to be placing this in the pool. And I'm not actually going to take the entire cord. I'm going to let it pull itself and unwind itself as I head over to the end of my pool here. All right, I'm at the other end of my pool here. The E10 is plugged in on the opposite side here. As you can see, the E10 is right here. I've got just about enough cord that reaches from the left side where the outlet is over there to the end of this right here. And this is where you actually want to put the E10 in with this much cord, basically so that it doesn't tangle in your pool. So I'm going to go ahead and place the E10 right inside. Just like that. It'll sink down, and I'm going to go ahead and turn them on, and you can see how it works. Alright guys, so the E10 is on now. You can see it's actually moving along the pool there. So it's going and cleaning the floor of my above ground pool right here. So let's just watch it and it'll move along the pool. Alright guys, so take a look at the E10 here. Now this is not going to climb the walls, but it will reach up against the wall just like this. Take a look. You see? It went up against the wall, but it didn't climb. That's what it's designed to do. This is why it's so great for above ground pools. And look at it back up right there, cleaning and scrubbing the floors of my above ground pool here. I do want to mention that this above ground pool is an 18-foot wide round above ground pool, and the E10 actually works really well in this pool. I'm sure it'll work well in bigger pools as well. Alright guys, so take note of this. The E10 is right here at the end of my pool here, opposite side of my pool here. The cord is right down there. It hasn't been tangled yet, and that's why it's placed in this direction here. That's why you want to put just the right amount of cord, and you want to place the cleaner in just the right spot. Otherwise, you will get those tangles here. So I do want to mention that the surface of my pool, it looks like it's a pebble surface, but it's really not. It's actually the design of this above ground pool, and it's really a smooth surface. That's why the E10 actually moves so well in this pool. It's easily able to just glide around the pool and scrub and pick up all the debris in the pool really easily. That's why this above ground pool cleaner works. So also pay attention to the E10 and how it moves around the pool. You can see it just hit the ladder and back up, and anytime it hits a wall, it'll back up as well, and it moves back and forth sometimes. That's the actual smart navigation kicking in, and that's the E10 determining which route to go. So it's actually a very efficient cleaner. This E10 is actually much smarter than regular above ground pool cleaners. And I want to stress how well the scrubbing brush actually works in these above ground pools to clean the surface really well. So overall, if you guys are looking for a really simple, basic above ground pool cleaner with some really nice premium options, if you got a pool cleaner that scrubs really well, catches a lot of debris with an easy access top loading basket, one that's corded so you can actually plug it in and turn it on and use it as many times as you want, and if you've got a simple in-ground pool or an above ground pool, then this E10 is definitely the way to go. Definitely a little cleaner that I recommend.
We hope this review helps.